So I'm back on my Craftsman T130. I picked this thing up for $600. Probably spent about $100 for battery, spark plugs, filter, all that stuff. Got it running. It was used for like one season, and then it sat for 2 years, and the carburetor was just all gummed up and junk on it. After I got it running, I haven't cut grass with it, but after I got it running, I went to see if the blades engaged. And as you can see in the earlier clip, this thing just shakes really bad as soon as you engage the blades on it. I haven't taken a look at them, but I have my suspicion that the blades are just toast on it. So before we start cutting grass, we probably need some good blades. So let's take a look underneath. Oh yeah, as you can see, these blades are toast. Missing a chunk there. Yeah. And the other one is just the same. So, all right, let's find out what size these are. So it's like a 15/16, but I only have that in 1/2 inch and my gun won't fit. So this is, what size is this? I think it's like a 1 inch. See if this got enough beans. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna cut too much grass. And there's definitely no sharpening that. Oh, ringing my ears. Let's try a fresh battery. Nope, that's not gonna work. Let's see if we get the bigger gun, at least to break it loose. Yep, just needed more power. Just had to raise it up a little bit more. Good to go. I'll tell you what, they were rough on these blades. So I got on Amazon due to a buddy recommending this to me, and I picked up the blades, and they were like $20, even with taxes, which is not bad. I went to my local repair place, and they wanted $20 a blade. I mean, realistically, I probably change blades, if that, maybe once a season. So grass season over here where I live in North Carolina typically starts around April. And you're probably cutting grass until at least the end of October. I do it twice a week, so pretty sure I should be able to get my money's worth. And he cuts grass for a living, well, as a side hustle. It was good enough for him. I guess it's good enough for me. Just make sure everything lines up. Which it does. Get off some of this stuff. Supposed to be at 10, 2.5. Get better gas mileage if you inflate it right. I think 8.5 should be enough. It might get a little too bouncy. I don't know. I'll give it a shot, but it's definitely better than 2.5. This is supposed to be 14, so let's see where we're at here. Definitely not 14. Two. That filled up really quick. Let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, so I definitely gotta get more familiar with using a riding lawnmower just to become more efficient with it and just kind of learn my riding patterns for the yard. I've been using a push mower for years, so you have your pattern, you know how to do it, you know how to be more efficient with it. But now, once I get more comfortable with this machine and kind of figure out a pattern for my front yard, I should be able to be more efficient and do a lot better with the cut. But the machine runs great, cuts really good. I'm definitely happy with it. So pretty awesome, not bad. So 600 plus 100 for battery and all the normal maintenance stuff that you have to do. I didn't have to change the belts because they were brand new. 20 for the blades, $720, and the machine was pretty much in brand new condition. I think I see why he probably got rid of this machine or just stopped cutting with it, because those blades were junk. Pretty sure it wasn't being as efficient and just gave up on it. And then if you're not savvy and you have to take this to a shop to change out your blades, you're going to pay for that. So it does add up. But if you know how to do this stuff yourself, you could save a lot of money. But very happy with the machine. Definitely going to help with productivity. It took me about 10 minutes just to do all this in the front. And normally it takes me about 30 to 40 minutes, just depending on how thick the grass is. So about 10 to 20 to do the front. The back with the push mower is usually about 45 minutes. I should probably be able to knock it out in 20 minutes. So I'm thinking about 30 minutes to do my front and backyard with weed eating once I get more proficient with the machine. I had a guy that was cutting my yard for a while when I was recuperating from back surgery, and he used to do the front and back in 20 minutes with a weed eater, and it was fantastic. So I'm not trying to go for 20 minutes, but if I could get 30 minutes versus an hour and a half, that's pretty cool. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and let's go fix something else.